Join SL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Opposition terms ward reservations for municipal elections unfair, likely to challenge them in court. BJP leaders say reservations immaterial for a good leader to win. Rivalry between taxi drivers goes to extreme. 3 taxi drivers hospitalized after they were beaten up by persons from another group in Kalangut. Looks as if there is no fear of the law. Guardian Angels hold Dempo's Golden Eagles to a 1-1 draw in the Pro League match at Duler. And now for the news in detail. Opposition has opposed the ward reservations announced by the government for municipal elections. Opposition members say no criteria has been followed while reserving the wards. Opposition has decided to challenge the reservation in a court of law. Here are the details.
भाजपा सरकारान येता त्या पालिका वेंचणुकां खातीर प्रभाग राखीवतेचो आदेश जारी केलो आनी विरोधक खुबळ्ळे. भाजपाच्या भोवतेक राजकीय विरोधकांनी ह्या निर्णयाचेर टिकेचे फारपेट केले. सगळे विरोधक एकवटेन ह्या निर्णयाक विरोध करपाचे आसात.
म्युनिसिपालिटीचे रिजर्वेशन पळय काल जालां तें सगळें वन सायडेड जालां. आपल्याक जाय जाय त्या भशेन पीक एंड चूज करून केलां. देर इज नो क्रायटेरिया वायल डुईंग रिजर्वेशन. एक्चुअली आमी हायकोर्टान गेल्ले, आमचे विजय सरदेसाई हायकोर्टान गेल्लो आनी हायकोर्टाचें डिसिजन जाल्लें की रिजर्वेशन 21 दीस पयलीं करपाक जाय. पयर ताणें असेंब्लीक एक बील पास करून घेतलें. ही सेड दॅट रिजर्वेशन वूड बी डन नॉट लेस दॅन 7 days. दुसरें काल तांणी तें आनी एक बील पास केल्लें ताजे बरोबर कितें केपें काणकोण कुडचडें म्युनिसिपालिटीनी वाडोवपाची. Now this is being challenged by many people and many parties, probably in the High Court, including this reservation. Because this reservation has no criteria. कांयच criteria करना. For example, मडगांव municipality तांणी last 3 वार्ड पळया 23, 24, 25, all 3 have been done into ladies housing board. All three have been converted into ladies. पहिले first 2-4 wards there is no ladies. म्हणजे अशें तें विचित्र केलां. सगळे कडेन तशें केलां. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन मार्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, नाव मार्मुगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी फ्रॉम 1 to 9 wards देर इज नो लेडीज. 1 to 9 wards ऑल आर जनरल आनी लेडीज एंड ऑल स्टार्ट आफ्टर 9 म्हणजे आफ्टर 10. म्हणजे अशें तें एफाजार्ड पद्दतीन केलां. आपल्याक जाय त्या पद्दतीन केलां. पीक एंड चूज केलां. It has to be, there has to be a criteria. We are going to take a policy decision across the state. Because first, municipality elections are not held on party lines.
Correct. Assembly nam assurance dilale ki criteria will be done nicely and things will not happen again. Electoral process kabar kon tangeli sarki they are in a tearing hurry to come back to destroy Goa. Process is totally wrong. They have reserved 26, 27, 23, 24, 25. मग हे तिन्ही वॉर्ड हाऊसिंग बोर्डाचे लेडी कन्सल्टंट. वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लोर लिगल ऑप्शन्स.
ज्या वॉर्डांनी ओबीसीची गरज लागली त्या वॉर्डांनी ओबीसी केल्या. खूपशे असे माजी नगरसेवक दुखावलेले आसा. वायट दिसता कित्याक तेंच्यांनी कांय तर बरी कामां केल्ली. पूण म्हापसा नगरपालिकेन जे खेळ खंडोबा जो केलेलो आसा आनी जी कामां जावंक जाय आसली ती म्हापसा नगरपालिकेन जे कावन्सिलरा कडेन जावंक ना. म्हापसा शहरान की नवे भुरगे जे रावतले ओबीसी जावं खंयचे लेडीज केल्ले आसा ते हांव तांकां सांगूंक करता की येणारे काळ जो आसा न्हू खरोखरच तुमकां बरे फेस दिवपाक जाय. कोणी BJPन सांगलें म्हणून ओबीसी जर दिल्ले आनी ते ओबीसी जर तुमी निवडून जर हाडलेले आदी आसलेले वॉर्डाकूच कामां जावंक ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हांव सांगता म्हापशेचो MLA आमचो जोशुआ बाब तो पयलीं कावन्सिलर आसलो. तेज्या वॉर्डान कितलीं कामां जाल्या हें तेंच्यांनी पयलीं सांगपाक जाय.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विल्यम रॉड्रिक्स.
Reservations for the municipality elections have just been declared and there is already a backlash. Now the Wasco BJP has added fuel to the fire, saying that good leaders do not need reservations to win. And if you are good, you can win anywhere. Here are the details.
Wasco BJP Unit President and KTCL Vice Chairman Deepak Naik on Saturday said that good leaders need not wait for reservations and can win in any ward if he has the love and support of the people. Naik said that reservations were declared in a funny way for wards in Murgaon, Wasco and Daboli constituency.
पॉलिटिक्स सांगचे म्हटल्यार हांव समज एक पॉलिटिकल लिडर आसा जाल्यार म्हाजी कॅपेसिटी आसपाक जाय हांव खंयसरूय बसून इलेक्ट जातलो आनी हांव गव्हर्मेंटाचेर डिपेंड रावचो ना की म्हाजो वोट लेडीज कर, म्हाजो वोट OBC कर, म्हाजो वोट जनरल कर. म्हाजो वोट तुमी कितेंय करता समज आय एम अ गुड लिडर जाल्यार हांव खंयच्या दुसऱ्या वॉर्डान सुद्दां इलेक्ट जावंक शकता. आनी हें कितें आसता एक लोकांची एक इच्छा आसता की आपूण ज्या बऱ्या लिडराक इलेक्ट करून हाडटलो म्हणून. आनी समज कोणाक दिसता जो हांव बरो लिडर किंवा आनी कोण बरो लिडर आसा त्या मनशाक ते लोकांच्या हातीन जनतेच्या हातीन आसता कोणाक इलेक्ट करून हाडपाचें आसता पळय. रिजर्वेशन इमटेरियल. पूण एकूच वायट दिसता आमच्या ज्या वास्को मतदारसंघान वास्को म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील ज्युडिशरीन 3 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी पडटा. एक मुरगांव, एक वास्को आनी एक दाबोली. हे सगळे सिनारोन पळोवपाक अशें दिसता की मुरगांव 9 वॉर्ड पडटा फ्रॉम वॉर्ड नंबर 1 टू वॉर्ड नंबर 9. वास्को वॉर्ड नंबर 10 टू वॉर्ड नंबर 21 पडटा आनी दाबोलीन फक्त वॉर्ड नंबर 22 टू 25 पडटा. म्हणजे 4 वॉर्ड दाबोलीन पडटा, 12 वॉर्ड वास्को पडटा आनी 9 वॉर्ड मुरगांव पडटा. पूण हे सगळे सिनारोन अशें दिसता की 9 वॉर्ड जे मुरगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आसा ते 9 वॉर्ड आहा पळय ते जेंट्स वॉर्ड आसा. म्हाजी एक सजेशन आसलेलें की एटलिस्ट ते एरियेक एक तरी लेडीज आसपाचो कित्याक लास्ट जेन्ना घातलेले तेन्ना भितर 3 लेडीज आसलेले आनी आतां एकूय ना म्हटल्यार मातशें पूण स्टील वी आर रेडी टू फायट.
Naik was speaking to reporters alongside a function organized by JCI Wasco in association with KTCL where an eye and ear camp was organized for KTC drivers.
आयज आमी एक आय चॅकअप कॅम्प दवरला इन रेकग्निशन ऑन अवेरनेस करपाची जे आमी रोड सेफ्टी वीक हा. ओके आमी गव्हर्मेंटान रोड सेफ्टी वीक दिलोले सो आमी 7 तारखेसून आमी ती सुरू करतले आमी फूल फ्लेज वी गोन हॅव 29 प्रोजेक्ट्स आनी आयच्या दिसा आमी आमचे KTC भावांक बेस्ट ड्रायव्हरांक सांगला की आमी आय चॅकअप दवरया तेंचे दोळ्या पसत कित्याक की आमी एक जाग्यासून दुसऱ्या जाग्यार वताय सो तांकां ते आमकां बरें करपाक तांकां सो आदी करपाक कित्याक की आमची सवाल चोयता आमी सेफली पावयताय म्हणून आमी तांकां सांगला की आमी एक आय चॅकअप दवरया आनी ऑल्सो इयर चॅकअप दवरया तांकां सो तांकां बऱ्या भलायकी लागून आनी वी आर वॉन्ट टू गुड फॉर वास्को सिटी म्हणून आमी एक चॅकअप दवरले फॉर रोड सेफ्टी.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Wasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. On Friday late night, 3 taxi drivers belonging to one group were badly beaten by persons belonging from another group at Kalangut. Sources say that they were not even on duty but were just standing around when they were picked up and beaten. The 3 are in hospital and the vehicles are badly damaged. A complaint has been filed with the police.
The ongoing rivalry has been going on for some time and the government is neither been able to control this violence nor manage to instill discipline in business mainly due to lack of political, despite tourism being the goose that lays the golden eggs not only for the government revenue but also large number of locals. Look at these very disturbing visuals. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Congress Party's Goa desk in charge Dinesh Rao on Saturday asserted that Congress is the only party that can take on BJP. Rao is in Goa as part of the exercise to pull the party together after its poor showing in the ZP elections and the resignation of its state unit chief.
Rao was addressing media at Congress House. The party is in the middle of a membership drive to strengthen the organization. The Congress has appointed a coordination committee in the state to look after the reorganization, headed by veteran Congressman Ramakant Khalap and MLA Reginaldo Lorenzo.
Congress is the only party now which can take on the BJP, not other parties. Congress is the one party nationally, it's a national party which can take on the BJP, and we will do it. And even in Goa, we will see to it that our leaders, our people, our workers go with unity, go with we will go full steam ahead and ensure that this corrupt BJP government in Goa and the misrule that has taken place in Goa on so many issues, they are selling out the Goan heritage, they are selling out the Goan culture, and they are selling out the Goan assets. We want to see what is the strength of the party at the ground level. Where we are strong, where we are weak, where we have to improve, where we have to take some corrective measures. All this will be analyzed along with the membership drive, because all our leaders will be given in charges of constituencies.
Dinesh also released a book, Goa and Beyond, by veteran Congressman Eduardo Falero.
And I think that vast knowledge and experience is that result of that vast knowledge and experience is this book that he has written. So I'm sure that this will be a book which will not only be interesting for the people of Goa, but also anyone who has got some interest about Goa and the Indian political scenario. So I want to say that I want to congratulate Shri Eduardo Falero for having written this wonderful book, and I think it will be a part of the Goan heritage, Goan culture, and the Goan library. Any Goan library should be having this book. So I hope that is going to happen.
The book that is at the request of many of my former colleagues of Parliament. They asked me to write this, and this is based on articles which I have written. They are put together. And the point is, articles there are many much better. Point is, everything that I have written there is of my personal experience.
Shyam Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
Bharatiya Janata Party-led union government has asserted that the NDA government has increased the budgetary outlay overall by a lot, and this is more than the UPA spending. The government has claimed that it is not only working for self-sufficiency in defence, but has even signed an agreement with Taiwan to export indigenously produced light combat aircraft Tejas.
Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy Giriraj Singh addressed media in Panji on Saturday. He said 2021-22 Union budget is an Atmanirbhar Bharat budget. He said the budget takes care of villages, the poor, farmers, women, the youth and the old.
देश में 2009 compared to 2014 टोटल बजट 65 लाख करोड़ का था। भारत सरकार 2014 to 2020 163 लाख करोड़ यानी 150% की बढ़ोतरी हुई। 13-14 तो मात्र व्हीट का 33,000 करोड़ रुपया का प्रोक्योरमेंट हुआ था। वहीं 19-20 में 62,000 करोड़ का हुआ और 20-21 में अभी तक हम 75,000 करोड़ का प्रोक्योर किया है। 2009 से 2014 8.48 लाख यानी 8.5 लाख करोड़ से भी कम था पूरे 9 से 14 में। वहीं 14 से 19 15.73 लाख करोड़ यानी 85% की बढ़ोतरी और केवल हम इस साल का आपको 2 साल का दे दूं जो मैंने 5 साल में नहीं दिया। 20-21 में हमने 4.7 लाख करोड़, 21-22 में 4.78 लाख करोड़। अगर 2 साल का मैं कर दूं तो उनके 5 साल से भी ज्यादा है। एक्सपोर्ट की शुरुआत कर दी है। ताइवान ने हमसे बड़भोज लिया, तेजस का एग्रीमेंट हो गया और पिछले 2 सालों में ठीक है साइज छोटा है लेकिन ग्रोथ का साइज 700% हमने ग्रोथ किया है डिफेंस एक्सपोर्ट में।
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some news from the Professional League. Guardian Angels held Dempo Sports Club Golden Eagles to a 1-1 draw at the Dulair ground on Saturday with a 94th minute equalizer in a hard-fought match full of ups and downs.
At the start, Garden Angel took the lead in the first half itself when Jovial Diaz scored in the 15th minute. But Dempo Sports Club bounced back in the second half when Shalom Pires equalized on the 58th minute. Both the teams tried their best to go ahead, but a missed tackle in the D by Garden Angels Lenny Fernandez gave a self-goal in favour of Dempo's. However, Garden Angel Joel Barreto equalized in the 94th minute, spoiling Dempo Sports Club's celebrations. Now, watch out for the big encounter on Sunday between Panjim footballers and Youth Club of Manora, live only on Goa 365 from 3:40 onwards.
By Melroy, Beniston Barreto plays it back to William. Back to Beniston. Is Lenny, back to William. Simranjeet clears it, goes out for a throw in for Denville. Here's Lenny. The good ball in, that's a header from Beniston Barreto. But cleared out by Suraj, which goes straight to Bevan DeMello. And here's Kirtikesh slowing down the game. It's a good tackle. And Beniston Barreto picks it up. That's a good chance. Beniston Barreto and last ditch tackle, and it goes out for a corner kick for Garden Angel. Now we see the Dempo players cramping up as they lead this game.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 in Dulair.
Now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa, and there was no large change in minimum temperatures over North and South Goa. The lowest minimum temperature of 20.2 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panji. Weather is also very likely to be dry over the district during the next 5 days. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius respectively.
A rise in minimum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius is likely during the next 48 hours, and gradual fall in minimum temperature likely thereafter during the period of next 3 days. No weather warnings for next 5 days. Mainly clear sky, light fog, haze likely in the morning. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius respectively in the next 48 hours, with mainly clear sky, light fog, haze in the morning. Dry weather prevailed over the state. There was no large change in minimum temperature. The lowest minimum temperature of 20.2 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panji. Weather likely to be dry for next 5 days. Rise in minimum temperature likely by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius during 48 hours. Gradual fall in temperature likely thereafter for next 3 days. No weather warnings for next 5 days. Mainly clear sky, light fog, haze in the morning. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius respectively. Goa 365 Bureau.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV. or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching GoAnswer 65.